What's happening, guys? Got a nice little street. I'm just testing some of the GoPro settings, trying to see how it looks. Just trying to see how this looks. I'm not sure if this looks good or not. But you guys can tell your boy's been on it, huh? So I actually still do have my 60-volt battery from Chai. Like I said, I'm just trying to source the best controller and the one that I can get my hands on the fastest. I don't have to order one and then wait forever. So definitely have to do that soon. On the throttle. Yo, my shocks are blown as fuck. Bro, my shocks are so blown. This is not good. Like, look, I don't know if you guys can see this. Hold on, look. Look, I'm about to pull the bike up. Look at that shit, bro. They are dunskies. So I don't really know anyone that like works on these like in the area. So I don't know, I just need some new seals. Wow, why so aggressive? I almost kept that one going. Kick it area. I ran out of juice. Dun, 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 dun. I'm not even listening to music, guys. it's looking pretty good. Damn, it sucks though, because when I put my new battery on, it doesn't have the same graphics kit, so I might just have to take this off so it doesn't look stupid. Just go all black. Whoa, I almost busted my ass on that one. Got a little too excited. Yeah. Somehow I made my way over here. I'm running out of light. It's getting a little dark for my settings, but just wanted to make an upload for you guys real quick, you know? You know what I'm saying? Just trying to keep the vids coming. I'm about to be like, man, it smells like hibachi, you know? I'm like, oh, there's a Benihana right here. It makes a lot of sense. The thing I like about a Suron, you can just discover some undiscovered shit that you can't do in a car. See what I mean? Like what is this? Oh, I think there used to be water right here. It's a whole stunt spot. I'm about to have a Suron meet. Hey, peep this, guys. I found like a track right here. Oh, that was a little harder than I thought. Ow. It was a little more aggressive back there before I was filming. But we're back where we were. They're trying to set me up for failure. Definitely gonna make some calls on the fork seals, see who can do them. But yeah, man, I just wanted to bring you guys a quick little vid riding the Suron. All right, for the last one, I want to bomb this whole street for the YouTube. I don't know if I could do it though, because my arm actually hurts. I'm getting sloppy. Can I regain control? Oh, my power! Hey, what are you doing? My arm's actually dead. Well, guys, on that note, appreciate you for tuning in, man. It's probably gonna be a quick video, but I just wanted to drop something for you guys. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next video.